Welcome to Homework Lib.
We need to identify which statements are correct on the following question. So first of all, let's look at the equation. We're going to get that 2 moles of H2S plus 1 mole of SO2 is going to produce 3 moles of S of sulfur as a solid plus 2 moles of water. So with this information, the first statement tells us that 3 moles of sulfur are produced per each mole of H2S, and this is going to be false because 3 moles of S are produced per 2 moles of H2S. So the first statement is going to be false. Next up, 3 grams of S are produced for every gram of SO2. This is going to be false because the relationship is given in amount of mole, not in grams. This is going to be a mole relation, not a mass relation. Next up, 1 mole of H2O is produced per mole of H2S, and this is going to be true because we have a one-to-one relationship in between H2S and water. 2 moles of water comes from 2 moles of H2S, so this is a one-to-one relationship. Next up, the number of moles of products formed equals the number of moles of reagents consumed, which is going to be false as well. Let's think that, for example, if we have 1 mole of each, or actually it's a symmetrical relationship, for example, 2 moles of H2S, 1 mole of SO2, this is going to produce 3 moles of S and 2 moles of water. So that is going to be, from 3 moles, we're going to go to 5 moles. So this doesn't make sense. This is not going to be true. On the other hand, the last statement, the number of moles of atoms, this is the important part, of the atoms that are going to be present after the reaction is the same as the number of moles of atoms before the reaction. And this is going to be true because since the reaction is going to be balanced, the number of atoms on each side of the equation is going to be the same. So over here, the number of atoms on both sides of the reaction is the same. And this is going to be true for every balanced equation. So with that, it would be all. The only true statements are going to be C and E. A and B and D are going to be false. With that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.